$98 million Hirgigo Power Plant project. Inaugurate the $98.6 million Hirgigo Power Plant project, with a capacity of augmenting the electric power supply by 60%, has been inaugurated. The project was implemented by the Chinese SFECO Company and will upgrade electric power supply by 46 megawatt. Speaking at the ceremony on the 15th of November, in which Mr. Abraha Asfeha, Minister of Public Works, Mr. Hagos Gebrehiwot, Head of PFDJ Economic Affairs, and senior government and front officials attended, General Sebhat Efrem, Minister of Energy and Mines, said that the installation of the generators is part of the huge investment the government is making to ensure power supply in the country. General Sebhat further commended the Chinese company for the timely implementation of the project and the maintenance of the old generators in partnership with Eritrean experts. Likewise, the ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Eritrea, Mr. Yang Zigang, pointed out that the installation of the two new generators attests to the growing cooperation between the two countries. Also speaking on the occasion, the General Manager of SFECO, Mr. Chen Yu, said that the company takes pride in participating in the development programs in Eritrea and lauded the support of different stakeholders. Engineer Abraham Wilder Michael, General Manager of the Eritrean Electric Corporation, stated on his part that the installation of the generators coupled with other ongoing projects would contribute in augmenting power supply capacity at national level.